Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Bao'an, and today I want to show you guys a box mod. A box mod made by Augvape. That's called the GRAGAS. It's this mod right here. It's an ebony wood box mod that does 80 watts. Only in watts mode, okay guys? It doesn't do temperature control. And I would advise it being for more an intermediate to an advanced vapor. For a beginner, I don't think it's really good, and I'll tell you guys why. Because there's no screen on it, okay? So if you are building your own coil, you don't know how many ohms your coil has, you don't know the volts that you're working at, and it's important for the beginners to, you know, buy a mod that has a screen on it that can give you that information, or you can buy an ohm reader and all that good stuff. But you should know your ohms law and all that stuff before working with one of these mods that doesn't have a screen on it, so you know exactly what you're vaping at, okay guys? Just an opinion, but you guys can do whatever you want. I'd recommend it for an intermediate vapor. Okay guys, so what do I have to say about this mod? It's made out of ebony wood. It's a block of ebony wood, and the bottom plates and the top plates are made out of brass. These are painted black. I got the black version. You can also get this in the real color brass and a lighter wood, which I don't know what wood it is. That's a different one. This one is ebony. You got your fire button here. You have beautiful logoing here at the bottom. As you can see, this is brass, so it was painted black, but you can see that in the engraving, this is the actual color of the plate at the bottom. I got the number 704. This is your air holes for your battery venting. It holds two 18615 battery, guys, sold separately. So you have to buy two 18650 batteries to work with it. Battery life on this is awesome, guys. I'll tell you, the way I vape, I've been vaping it at 47 watts. It was at 47 watts, and I got a good full 12 to 14 hours of vape out of it. Really, really good power. Really, really good power. Let me take a hit off of it. So it's an 80 watt device, and you control the power through the top here. It has mode 1 and mode 2. So I'll tell you that up close when we get to it. But I've been enjoying it a lot. I do have one problem with it. Oh, the price on it, I've seen it around from $95 to $100. But everyone at work was like, wow, Paul, that mod is really nice. That looks expensive. And it does. It's a very, very beautiful, elegant mod, and I'll show you guys up close. Sturdy mod. It's heavy because it's pure wood. The only problem I have with it is the fire button. Okay, this fire button, if you guys see, you got the leads on the outside, right? That's plastic, right? And the button is also plastic. And plastic with plastic sometimes doesn't work too good because it sticks. See, it's stuck. It sticks on you. I had wished that the button was probably made out of metal so I can have the LED on the outside of the button, of the fire button. I would almost guarantee that it wouldn't stick. But plastic with plastic, Augvape, you guys should check this out because it sticks a lot. I'm going to probably put some lubricant on the button or something to see if it doesn't stick as much. But you're going to have to, you know, you guys have to click it if you get this. At least mine is doing this. So I just wanted to point that out to you guys. Everything else works great. I mean, there's not really much to it. It's not a mechanical mod because first, the battery life is going to last you longer because you don't have the LED screen on it. So you're not wasting battery on the screen. Really easy to work with here at the top. On the outside, you have mode 1, which goes up to 45 watts. And then you have the mode 2 that goes from 47 all the way up to the 80 watts. Okay? And I'll show you that up close also. Everything else, it's been working great, guys. The problem I had was with the button. But the quality on this, it's quality, Augvape quality. All the products that I've received from Augvape, or every product that I've tested from Augvape, it seems like American quality products, okay? This one, the engineering, because of the problem with the button, wasn't so good. But I'm talking about the materials that they use, Augvape, all the materials that Augvape uses, it's high quality. It looks like American-made products, guys. So, yeah, that's what I got to say about the mod. Let's check it up close, and then we'll call it a wrap, okay? See you guys in a second. So this is the box the GRAGAS Box Mod comes in. It comes in this nice little gift box. Really elegant looking gift box. Looks like a book. Augvape here. Nothing written on the back. And you just slide it open. And when you open this, you see this beautiful piece of machinery right in here. Really, really elegant and really, really nice. You got your ebony wood. You got your brass plates, top and bottom. You got your brass spring-loaded 510 pin contact. Here is your controller for your watts. On the outside here, guys, the numbers you see on the outside is mode 1. And the numbers you see on the inside, which these numbers mean watts, of course, mean your mode 2, okay? USB port for charging, or mini USB port for charging. Here's your fire button. Positioning. Okay, to get into mode 1, the light should be green. So 5 clicks to turn it on, and it'll go to your last setting. I've been vaping it on mode 2, okay, the highest setting. So to go to mode 1, you just have to click it 3 times if it doesn't stick on you. Okay, so now it's green. So now I'm in mode 1, which is the numbering on the outside here. To go to mode 2, you click it 3 times again, 1, 2, 3, and it'll go to blue, and that'll tell you that you're in mode 2. To turn it off, just click it 5 times, and it's off. When you have the power on, and you're vaping on it, press your fire button, of course. It's blinking because, and it gives you the red signal because there's no tanker adding on top of it, okay? But it will usually, I'll show you guys. It'll turn like to a light blue or green color. And everything, if it's working fine, it'll just, see, it's like an aqua blue. Okay, and it'll always be aqua blue. I thought it would change to yellow. I wish it had like the yellow light on it, so it'll tell you when your battery dies out, but it doesn't have it. What it does do is that when the battery dies out, it'll turn red and you've got no power anymore. And it'll just, and I'll show you that. I'll put in used batteries so you guys can see that. But when your batteries are fully charged, it'll be blue if you're in the blue, and it'll turn like to an aqua color when you're vaping on it. 1, 2, 3, green. Now you're in mode 1. If you press it, it's that aqua blue, okay? See, it sticks a lot, guys. Yeah. Oh, another thing. The light will always be on. If you don't vape for like 5 minutes, I'd say about 5 to 7 minutes, it'll turn off. And then you're going to have to click it 5 times again to turn it back on. So it has an auto shut off after about 5 to 7 minutes, it'll shut off. And then you're going to have to click it 5 times again to turn it back on, okay, guys? Look at the engraving on this. So it says GRAGAS here at the bottom. And then you have the chip number here. It's a PV052 chip from Augvape. Powered by Augvape. Really nice engraving. It's like I said, it's got the black plate on it, but since the bottom is brass, these are brass letters. Okay, so this is the actual color of the brass from the bottom. The number, you have your venting holes. And here is where you hold your two 18650 batteries that are sold separately. And what's really cool is that it comes with a little key, or your little coin by Augvape. And all you have to do is unscrew here at the bottom. Contacts are also brass, guys. Okay, it's just painted black, but they are brass. That's the inside. Okay, and I'm going to put in used batteries so you guys can see what happens when your battery dies out. It's kind of easy to screw them in, as you can see. It's a beautiful mod, hands down. And I'm sure I can fix the problem with the button with some lubricant on this. So, okay guys, so these are wasted batteries. Click it 5 times, turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me get an RDA on top. This is a new RDA from Augvape also, which is called the Astro. I will be reviewing this one also. And if I press the fire button, see it went to red. Okay guys, it'll blink red. Then it'll just stop. So this is telling you that your batteries are dead. Okay, just keep blinking. Went off. 5 clicks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it'll do the same thing. Okay, so that's when your batteries are dead. That's the information it's going to give you guys. Okay, so that's what I have to show you guys. Really, really nice mod. Comes with an instruction book. This is the other color you can get it in. I really like the black one, but a lot of people might like this one. It's well explained. Okay. Yeah. And there you have it, guys. The GRAGAS Box Mod by Augvape. And that's it. Okay, so you guys stay safe, rock on, vape hard. ViperVaporPT is out, and I'll see you guys on my next review. Stay safe, you guys.